Yeah guys, today is day 5 of the vlogs. You see me? Right now we're in Kingston. Yeah, I get some fishing supplies, I think. So probably can get to throw some line today again. So I'm just stay tuned, how much I go on. We night town. Big up yourself, bless it.
On it. Woman know she don't leave tongue already because I tell her she called me. She never called me.
I'll put off in night. Hey, I say anyhow, I did have the year fight, man. That's not for the death. I say, but
You ain't never call me for go shoot the snapper.
tell me no one lick him.
Yo, if you call me, you would get the same way. Maybe I shoot and give you.
No, man, I shoot.
But you want to say you shoot up.
Hey, I mean, I don't want to lick a big fish.
And let it go.
No.
So that time I stay with string up, now that way I call you know who go after that day. Because
Hey,
I know.
No nice like when you lick that in a Vincent and come up and you know say you lick that in a you know that feel good.
You watch it think good and I watch you go after that and say, boy, whole color shoot this man.
Me say,
Now, I tell you, load it to about that man.
What? Anyhow, me have more breath, me want to fire now. I know say my breath I go run out, me just have fire, you know.
But you not aim good because
Yeah,
if you aim good, you shoot the fish, you know.
Yeah,
Right, they red for the fish.
Breath I left me, man.
You see this spot there guys, they are fishing shop right now, so we're gonna get some stuff. Get some weights and some hook. You see me?
I leave the two of them like
Ear pipe.
ear
pipe.
Ear
Ear pipe.
like these and the brass.
Yeah, me and a dive right now, climb on dive right now. I ain't doing dive, you see me? So, yeah, them use this, we do what them do. We head up on the land, I go and catch fish. You must say. Yeah, I think guys, so we just reached my location, you see me? The upper Vincent side, countryside, you see me? One Vincent.
One Vincent vibe.
Yeah, so stay tuned on what you're going. You have my things them here, so you don't know say fishing I go on today. You see me? So stay tuned. Alright guys, so right now man I'm gonna dive, you see me? But you see through me have my hand fishing tools. What for so? I go up on a rock. You see me? So yeah, that me I go there now. Alright guys, this is where the journey begins. You see me? Try reach up there now. It's gonna be a bit difficult, but we are gonna make it up there, you see me? Alright guys, so we are just for the plug before we go up there. Because we don't want to go up there and none up there.
Man, so one under this little.
And then, that's the one. The big one this, you know. Yeah. Alright, let's see more here, so we're gonna go and look for some more and then we go up there, you see me people. So stay tuned. We'll make our way and go up now. You see me? So
You say I reach the top? Can't come up, come get your phone, man.
Guys, so right here, make him way up too. No, sir. And you have to stay on shore, man. And you have 6 pounds. Yeah. Take your time, go around. Right, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. Yes, yeah, help me. Oh, hold on, the bush. Oh, yeah, get. Oh. Hey man, it seems like people already there come up here. Go on trail there. Yeah, as you can see, a little trail there. So it's a good thing. Say me take up the slug them though. Yeah. Cause it's so dry. Perfect spot, bro.
Must get something to there.
Of course. So what me I gonna do? When me I catch a fish, at them time me I go record, you see me? Because it's gonna be a little bit hard for me and Ratty catch fish and record at the same time. Me I go just throw, and when me I catch a fish, Ratty will go on video. Or if Ratty I catch a fish, me will go on video. So ready now, guys. Now I go, over I think I go, but now I get on my cats. I'm gonna want to jump off.
Guys, I make him first throw here now. I wonder if he might catch nothing. Yeah man, ready, we've been waiting. Out there guys, see that? Just stay tuned and watch how I go on guys.
So right now I'm going to resort to this little bait them. So that I'm going to do it right now. So stay tuned.
Hey boy not catch nothing man. I feed the fish them now. What's that? Hey guys, just gonna test out him new spot here now. Yeah?
People check in. Right now we have a different setup, you see me? So some go on and the weights drop out at sea. So I use a rack now and catch what go on like this. I have a bag of slug. No slug in this guy. So what I do, you just put them on the hook, see there? And I have them in there, so right now I'm tired guys, if you can see my face, I'll be a sweat. Be a slug, I go look. So right that's how I want to mash them, you see me? So I throw this in the water, see if we can get a fish. So stay tuned.
Yeah, go on. Nothing? Nothing now go on? Yeah, feel it pick them.
Yeah.
And they come right, the second Lego.
Yo, Mr. Get a hard pick. Yo, say yo.
One who can have now.
Yeah, one hook. Just in case one of them pop, you can
Yeah.
have it. As a spear, you see me?
Yeah.
Yo, you come like a slug now, yo. And a shoe. A slug.
Guys, just stay tuned. I'm gonna get it out there again. Hear that, people? Must catch a fish today, you know. You know how to keep it. I'm that?
Yeah, in that there.
See you, man.
You take it? Yeah, see it. Is that?
Yeah, see him. What kind of fish that? Pretty though, though. See you pretty
Nah,
one there?
take it up.
Nah, take it. Let's see where the line come from. Clear.
Bro, Vince. And no fish there, no?
So me not tell them why you say me see them a come in.
And the fish nah swallow something, you know?
Like you know eat slug.
You eat slug time when they are too fast.
Oh yeah, alone for your sleep.
Now the big fish here. No, I think take it.
You can grab that one.
Alright people, check in. See what go on. Vincent just catch 3 fish.
Another big yellow jack. 2 times, 2 yellow jack.
Yeah.
3rd time is a charm.
Third
The
time
next
is a
time, once we dive and we catch another yellow jack, that is a charm.
That is a charm. Okay. Next big one, this you know. Yeah.
You see bonus today? That whale we just harvest in this community. Right? What you call it again? What you call it big black whale again? Orca? Orca you call it? But we call it blackfish. But I think orca is the right name.
How you do
This is the only tongue, Vincent. We harvest that.
Guys, I don't know what kind of red something this pan finger. So I'm done, I'm not try again. Snail or whatever that one. Hey guys, after hours of fishing, I catch nothing. Vince laugh off of me because Vince catch fish. But I dive, Vince I dive.
Yo, I'm not going to see him come back without fish. You know? Always bring back fish. Always.
Always. I mean I care about nothing. I care about a white skull. Alright people see it there? So the blackfish. So y'all laugh at? You know, like me there saw wait food. Yo, much fish you catch? How much fish you catch?
I store there, I'm going to eat today, so we're going to see.
Vince, you give me one fish.
Exactly what I fish right out. Oh, that's the one I eat.
Where fish are you?
You don't catch a fish.
Yeah, right there, so the liquid right there, so
Ah.
I like rocking up.
hard for balance.
What's that?
Where fish there? In lesser? Fish mercy. Guys, colors they all laugh off me when I catch some fish. Yesterday I laugh off him because I catch 2 little fish. Now I laugh off him. I chew me on a rat still. Chew me on a rat, guys, you see me? I have to struggle with the little buckle.
Oh, you're not getting fish today. When I can die, you get fish.
Yeah, wala bu.
No, you're begging fish for the camera. See me like we are begging.
Please give me a fish.
Wait, put on my camera, Ratty. Let me show you people. Josh, beg me. Where's the colors? If fish in hole there, I didn't catch nothing. So give me a fish. Yeah, give me a fish.
Give me a fish, Vincent. Please.
Right, you hear my beg? Fish in hole there, not catch nothing. I'll give him small group. Come, hold it.
Are you begging for
And I go make sure fry that,
Special juice made by Vincent. One of the best tasting juice.
What you call it? Jumbo? Jumboli?
Jumbilin.
Jumbilin?
Yeah.
Oh, we call damsel. They call it Jumbilin. One thing Jamaica have a different name for everything, you know? Jumbilin.
My fish is in a guys.
foot bottom?
Me and
Bottom
Vincent
foot.
catch him.
Bottom foot.
Who say bottom foot? We say bottom foot.
Bottom foot.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, but it's
Bottom foot you call it.
Yeah, we say back head.
foot bottom.
I use say head back.
I think you say foot bottom.
Man say back head.
Back head.
A head back man.
Head back.
Head back.
Yeah,
A foot bottom.
Am I using first foot, but I don't know.
Oh, if- oh.
Bottom foot.
No, you can't be bottom foot man. You have to be foot bottom.
Explanation with the bamboo here.
Yeah.
Down here now, if you notice,
Up that side.
yeah, see, if you notice behind the black up, behind the black up, not true? Right, so down here now, is we cut the hole right here.
Yeah.
It was with this mark, let me tell you again a little mark. So with this mark out here, so. It was better size there. And you cut you out with a knife or chisel and you knock out them here, but you don't make it stick reach down here. If the stick reach down the bamboo spoil. So you knock out all them joints here. About say 5 joints, 6 joints the most.
Yeah.
You knock out them there and cut off him out. You throw the oil down in there. Down in this. And you heat it up until the bamboo get hot. When the bamboo get hot and you see him start to make a kind of song now, you blow out the smoke. You dip your stick in the oil, you get your flambeau with the fire, you light your stick. Botto! Watch that bus hard in the dam, like a gun in the dam.
Yeah.
I tell you,
hear one of them
you
with
must
them.
try to when you go back Jamaica dam, is just show you, you know. Just take
Yeah.
your time and make it in a hard. And you make sure you knock out all them here clean
Yeah.
with a stick. But don't make it stick reach down there. Yeah, you in a hard. And you train your oil. You're not fully right up. Once the oil reach about like this, you just heat up the bamboo. When the bamboo don't heat up now, you train a bit more oil and then you start to bust. I tell you, bust like a
Dry.
gun.
Bamboo for dry.
No, green bamboo, but not too green, like Rape. But you, can,
You get where I say?
if you cut them when moon full, them a mash up. Them
Yeah.
is the boss. If you cut them pan dark night,
Oh, you get where I say?
cut them pan dark night.
See that, guys? Stay tuned.
Wrong. With our colors, we're going colors in anything when we call colors with. You don't know enough.
Guys, checking back. Today is the next day, you see me. My hand kinda clear up. If you can see, look a purple looking something right there, so. Yeah, so initially me think say I did something toxic, but after me search on Google, it was just a little stain, you see me? So it really make me stop fish too. But Google say I'm nothing harmful, so no good, you see me? So that is it for the video. Climb my Friday fishing last night, but I fall asleep, then eat mine. Yeah, so I just wake up, guys. So I look for something to eat. So make sure if you like, share, subscribe, and I'm out. You see me? One love. Yeah, man, people. So see me fish here. After all, man, they never eat the fish, which me never ever did. Really have a problem with. You see me? But me get the fish. So this is my breakfast, you know. So that is it. Make sure if you like, share, and subscribe.